Hi guys, in this video we are using the Audio-Technica ATR2100 USB microphone. We're gonna do a review on this microphone using pop filter, windscreen, and nothing at all, just the microphone itself. So right now we actually using just the windscreen on the microphone, and that's how it sounds with windscreen on the microphone. Now we're gonna take a windscreen off and we're gonna do a sound test without anything on the microphone. No pop filter, no windscreen, nothing. Okay, now we have everything off the microphone, no windscreen and no pop filter, just microphone itself, and that's how it sounds. So now we're gonna get the pop filter and we're gonna connect it to the microphone and we're gonna do one more test with pop filter. Okay, now we're using the pop filter on this ATR2100 microphone, and you should hear more smooth, more soft sound me using this pop filter. Okay, and that's the end of the review. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment